Have you ever wondered, how might the world end? It's a question that has captivated human imagination for centuries. But this isn't about fear-mongering or doom and gloom. No, this is about curiosity, wonder, and an appreciation for the intricate workings of our planet and the vast cosmos that cradles it. Consider it a journey into the unknown, a voyage beyond the familiar confines of our everyday lives. We'll explore the myriad ways in which our world could meet its end, each scenario more fascinating than the last. From the fiery last dance of our sun to cosmic catastrophes that boggled the mind, we'll delve into the science, the spectacle, and the sheer awe of it all. Understanding these scenarios isn't about inducing fear. Rather, it's about fostering respect for our planet and the cosmos, inspiring curiosity, and nurturing our collective sense of wonder. Stay tuned as we delve into the dramatic possibilities that could signal the end of our world. Imagine a day when the sun expands, swallowing up our beloved Earth. In the grand theater of the cosmos, our sun is but a middle-aged star halfway through its life cycle. But as with all things, it too will age and change. Billions of years from now, our sun will transform into a red giant, an elderly star that has exhausted the hydrogen at its core. This transformation is not a gentle process. As the sun burns through the last of its hydrogen, it will begin to collapse under its own gravity. This implosion heats up the core, causing the outer layers to expand. The sun, once a friendly beacon in the sky, will inflate into a monstrous red giant, its surface reaching temperatures unimaginable to us today. Our sun's swelling radius will be so vast it will engulf the inner planets Mercury and Venus, turning them into molten ghosts of their former selves. Earth, the third rock from the sun, might just escape this fiery fate. Or it might not. The jury is still out on that one. But even if Earth avoids a direct hit, the intense heat and radiation from the bloated sun will scorch our planet, boiling our oceans and turning our lush, blue world into a lifeless, barren rock. But don't pack your interstellar escape pod just yet. This event is billions of years in the future. And by that time, humanity could have become a spacefaring civilization, capable of hopping from planet to planet or even star to star. We could have found new homes, new worlds, and new suns. The end of our sun doesn't have to mean the end of us. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a reminder that we are part of a much larger, grander story. So our sun's final bow could indeed be Earth's final hour. But even in the face of such cosmic drama, humanity's story might just be beginning. What if the end comes not from within but from the limitless expanse of the cosmos? As we turn our gaze from our sun to the wider universe, we find a host of other potential threats to our existence. First on our list, the black holes. These cosmic behemoths, formed from the death throes of massive stars, warp space and time around them. Their gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. If one were to drift too close to our solar system, the gravitational force could disrupt the orbits of planets, including Earth, leading to potentially catastrophic consequences. Next, let's consider gamma-ray bursts, the most energetic events in the universe. These are short-lived bursts of gamma-ray photons associated with the explosive end of a massive star or the merger of neutron stars. A burst directed towards Earth could strip our atmosphere of its protective ozone layer, exposing us to the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Last, but certainly not least, we have asteroid impacts. Remember the dinosaurs? A colossal asteroid strike was largely responsible for their extinction. While we are now better prepared to track near-Earth objects, an unexpected asteroid could still catch us off guard. A large enough impact could trigger a nuclear winter, blocking out the sun and causing a drastic drop in global temperatures. So, as we journey through the cosmos, we are not just exploring the beauty and wonder of the universe. We are also navigating a celestial minefield, where black holes lurk, gamma-ray bursts flash, and asteroids hurtle through space. These cosmic catastrophes remind us that our existence in this vast universe is precarious. But despite the dangers, the cosmos continues to captivate us with its grandeur and mystery. The threats it holds also serve as a reminder of our shared responsibility to understand and protect our tiny corner of the universe. Indeed, the cosmos is a beautiful yet dangerous place. Could we, the stewards of Earth, be its ultimate destroyers? It's a question that may seem heavy, but it's one we need to face considering the potential calamities our actions could unleash. Let's start with nuclear warfare. The destructive power of nuclear weapons is immense, with the capacity to obliterate cities, devastate ecosystems, and poison the Earth with radiation. The fallout doesn't stop there. Nuclear winter, A theorized period of abnormal cold and darkness predicted to follow a large-scale nuclear war could lead to mass starvation and extinction. The prospect of such an event is a chilling reminder of the responsibility we bear when wielding such power. Next, let's consider artificial intelligence. While AI has the potential to transform our world in positive ways, its unchecked development could also lead to unforeseen consequences. Imagine a scenario where AI systems, designed to optimize a process, end up deciding that humans are the problem. This isn't science fiction, it's a real concern among many AI researchers today. We need to ensure that as we advance in this field we do so with an abundance of caution, ethics, and human oversight. Lastly, we turn to climate change, a slow-motion disaster that's already in progress. Rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, devastating wildfires, and extreme weather events are all symptoms of a planet in distress. Climate change is not just about warmer summers or more intense storms, it's about the potential collapse of ecosystems, loss of biodiversity, and the threat to human societies. The urgency to act has never been greater. Each of these scenarios highlights a common theme. Our actions have consequences. We've reached a point in our technological and industrial development where we have the ability to shape the world, for better or worse. It's not a question of whether we have the power to end the world, but whether we have the wisdom to save it. The power to protect or destroy our world lies in our hands. As we've seen, the end of the world could come in many forms. Whether it's the sun taking its final bow in a grand supernova, or cosmic catastrophes like asteroid impacts and gamma-ray bursts, the universe is filled with potential threats. And let's not forget the man-made disasters we've discussed, from nuclear warfare to environmental degradation.